my closet. Look at the mess that this part already is. और ऐसा ही mess नीचे भी है, which I have to clean today. I'm going to tell you how to clean your closet and how to organize your closet. So yeah, keep on watching.
And it goes a little something like
So it's Anushtha, and if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, then go ahead, subscribe before. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. ये जितने भी आप कपड़े देख रहे हो हैंगर्स पे, मैं सबको बाहर निकाल के रखने वाली हूँ. So I'm just gonna keep all these clothes outside first, and then see what we have to keep and what not, and then we're organizing everything. So yeah, first part, let's just get everything out of the cupboard and put it on the bed. Let's do it. Yeah, since school days, I'm a big fan of hers, and I made this poster when I was in school, and I still have it. And for no reason, when I was in boarding school, and I came back, I just pasted here, and it's just still there. Just ignore that. Let me just show you the pile of the clothes that were on the hangers. So yeah, these many other clothes. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm going to do it. But let's see. Now, I have some clothes right here also, and some bags, some many stuff I have here. Random stuff. So I'm just going to take it out all on the bed. Yeah, let's do it. Everything, all the clothes from here and here, and all the extra stuff. It's very dirty, like this. A lot of dust. So I'm just gonna wipe it all. What's gonna clean kar lete hai pura part. Then we're gonna move on to the clothes. After putting all the clothes out and cleaning that area now, make a section of Indian wear, tops, bottoms, and organize everything. I'll fold every cloth and remove from the hangers, and yeah, so let's start doing this. And you guys find motivation of me cleaning out my closet, and you also do it, because it's really important. If your closet is clean and organized, you really want, it just feels so productive. And also guys, I'm going to put a timer on my phone of 20 minutes. I know it's really hard to do it all in 20 minutes, but so that I can do it more fast and I don't take the whole day. So yeah, let's try. As you can see, I have separated all the clothes and folded. It definitely took more than 20 minutes, and I'm literally tired now. I'm going to remove all the jeans from my third drawer. I have really a lot of denims, and now I'm thinking to hang jeans on the hangers instead of hanging tops and all of these. So yeah, let's remove all the jeans, and then I fold them, organize them, and then we'll move on to the other part. Let's do it. This is the jeans drawer. See, I can't even pull it out. It's so heavy. I have a lot of denims right here, like really lot of. So yeah, I'm gonna remove it, all of them, and then organize it. Let's start. Now here comes the cleaning part. We have all the denims right here piled up. Oh my god, there's so many, but if we can do it. Now I'm gonna start organizing my denims, which I want, which I don't want, and fold it one by one. Let's start. the denims are organized. Now I'm going to put all the denims in the hangers separately, color-wise. The black ones in one, so like black ones in one hanger, then the light blue ones in one hanger, then the dark blue ones in other hanger, and whites and colorful ones in one. Like that, I'm going to organize. Yeah, let's start. All the black denims, like leather pants we have right here. I'm just gonna hang it. Fold it, you can see black, light blue, dark blue, medium color, colorful, and all the shorts and all. I separated everything and put it on the hangers right here. This looks more organized. So here I'm going to keep my night suits and my workout clothes right here. These are my workout clothes. Here I'm going to keep my night suits. So now I'm going to move all my clothes from the second drawer. You can see how many clothes I have here. Let's get started. Again, I have a pile of clothes right here from the second drawer, and I am so tired. So now again I'm going to organize all the clothes, tops, all the simple basic tops, all the fancy tops, dresses aside. Yeah, let's start, and it's very tiring, but you have to do it because it's the only way to get better and better, to have a organized life. All the dresses in the last drawer. These are all the dresses. Now all the sweatshirts and jackets I'm going to put in the last drawer with the dresses. The good tops or fancy tops that I have, I'm going to put it in the second drawer. I'm going to clean the upper part, that part which has a lot of random stuff there. I'm just going to remove everything and clean it out, and then I'm going to put all the Indian stuff up there and all the personal. I'm going to clean the upper part. I'm going to keep all the traditional wears, और जो भी भारी gown types जो भी हमारे पास होते हैं up there, because I don't wear traditionals a lot, so it's going to go up there. So now it's the time to remove all the clothes from the first drawer. और यहाँ पर ऐसा है, mostly है जो कपड़े में daily wear में पहनती हूँ, और बहुत सारे ऐसे जो बिल्कुल काम की नहीं है, which I'm going to sell or donate whatsoever. And yeah, this time I'm going to remove one by one, fold and keep it there. Finally, all the clothes are out and separated. Now I'm going to clean this. It's cleaned. Now I'm going to keep all my daily wear clothes here. It's all done, and I'm so happy and I'm so tired. Look at this! Dun, dun. And this part also and the upper part also. Wait, let me show you. Upper part also and the down part also. Everything is done. I'm so happy. Like all the drawers are done. Yes. So guys, it's the next day and yesterday my battery got low. I couldn't film anything. I couldn't film my outro and I was have to say you. So it's the next day. I guys already saw the cupboard. It's fully transformed and it's so organized right now. And super clean. It's so organized, super clean. I'm so happy. Yesterday it literally took me all day. And yeah, it's all here. I'm going to show you the part where I was cleaning this part. So I just cleaned this area and I put this my sunglasses here. Feeling so motivated, so productive, and literally I'm feeling very motivated. कि अब मेरी cupboard पूरी clean हो गया. Now I'm gonna work out because my workout clothes are right here. Now when I will open the cupboard, I'll just see my workout clothes. And I'll feel to work out. And yeah, I'm so happy. It's all done. Successful closet clean out organization. I'm very happy. I hope this video helped you, motivated you to clean your closet and to organize your closet. I wish that it really motivated you because it's really important because you know if it's all messed up we don't feel हमारे जो thoughts होते हैं वो productive नहीं होते. Hope you guys like this video and enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family. Comment down below, let me know if you're here, you like this video, and go ahead subscribe to my channel. If you're subscribed, then go ahead hit the bell icon जो उसके side में ही होता है, so you never miss out on any of my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.